Our lesson objective is I can simplify an expression by combining like terms. So now we're going to differentiate between variables and constants. So first of all, our variables are the terms that have a variable, or in this case, a letter. They can be symbolized by different things. So we have 7x, negative 5x, and 4x. And then our constants are the other ones. So we have 3, 8, negative 1. So we then have what's called a coefficient next to each of these variables. These are those non-variable numbers. So we have 7, negative 5, and 4. So we can simplify an expression by combining like terms, which means to combine variable terms and constant terms. So if we had this example, 7x plus 3 minus 5x plus 8 plus 4x minus 1, we would add 7x and negative 5x and 4x. So 7 minus 5 is 2, plus 4 is 6x. 3, then we're going to combine the rest of the terms. So we have 3 plus 8 minus 1. 3 plus 8 is 11, minus 1 is 10. We just did this on the previous slide. The answer is 6x plus 10. So we have to simplify this expression. So we have 3x plus 6x, so that's just going to be 9x. Here we have to simplify this expression by combining like terms. So we have 7m minus 5m, that's going to be 2m, minus 6. We can't combine that, so we leave that as is. Here we're going to simplify this expression by combining like terms. So we have 7p minus 9p. I'm going to box this. And then we have negative 1 plus 5. I like to box the negative numbers to just keep in mind that you have to keep the negative with it. So 7 minus 9 is going to be negative 2. So we have negative 2p. And then we have negative 1 plus 5, which is 4. So then we have that. Now we have this expression, so we have 26a plus 2b. So I'm going to write the 2b in a different color because they're not like terms. 26a and negative 4a are like terms. I'm going to box the negative 4 just again, since it's a negative number, we want to make sure we don't forget the negative. And then we have 10b. So 26 minus 4, that's going to be 22a. And then 2 plus 10 is 12. So we have 12b. All right, now we're going to combine like terms with exponents. So terms with the same exponents or combination of variables and exponents are considered like terms. And when combined, just make sure you don't change the exponent. So the idea is like if you have x squared plus 3x squared, you do x squared plus 3x squared, or let's do like 5x squared. So 5 plus 3x squared is 8x squared, but you keep the x squared. All right, so we're going to simplify this expression. So we have 7x squared plus 5x squared, or I mean the other way around, but it doesn't really matter. So that's going to be 12x squared. Here we have 8k squared minus k minus 5k plus 7k minus 2k. So very, very important. These are like terms here. This and this are like terms, but they're not all like terms together because this has 2 copies of k and this is only 1 copy. So we're going to go ahead. We have 8k squared minus 2k squared, so that's 6k squared, negative k minus 5k, that's going to be negative 6k, and then we just have the plus 7. Here we have to simplify this expression. So even though these variables look like this, these are still variables. They're just products of variables. And because they're the exact same variables being multiplied together, you can combine this. So negative 4 plus 10 is 6. So it's a squared b plus 7. I think we already did this one. We're good. Okay, so after this lesson, we reviewed how to simplify expressions by combining like terms.